I have a Gree mini split single zone system with error code F0 showing on the display. How do we clear that?
Hello, here's a screenshot of what Gree has to say about that error code. http://screencast.com/t/fruca5q6t. It is a fault with the indoor air temperature sensor. Or in my experience, a fault with the printed circuit card that it is attached to. Turn the unit off at the breaker or switch on the wall next to the outside unit, wait 5 minutes, then turn the unit back on again. Tell me if that clears the error or not. Next, tell me if you can control the room temperature below 24°C with the remote controller or not. We can go from there without a time limit. We are on the honor system here. It is how I earn a living, and does not increase your charges. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional cost.
Turning it off and back on again after 5 minutes worked. The temp is down to 70 F now and seems to be working fine. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. We are on the honor system here. It is how I earn a living, and does not increase your charges. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional cost.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.